All right, all right, all right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the home stretch of the home theater remodel. It's been a long year, but it's almost done. Almost done. So I've actually carved out some time this week to wrap everything up. So as you can see, we are getting there. The acoustic wall panels are mostly up. I've got one more to go there, and obviously I have the filler panels to build stuff and upholster. I've got the WLED lights done and installed and programmed with the Lutron controllers. I do need to get that mounted on the wall, get the Picos mounted on the wall with the Pico wall plates. But as you can see, I've got the different scenes. So pop it in movie scene there, everything gets dim. And I've got my little default blue there. I've got a Pico for different scenes. With the lighting, as you can see, that goes all across the room, through the soffit, and all around. So that was tons of fun. I'm excited about that. And I can turn everything on and then change it back to kind of the default color, which is blue. Screen surround, nothing new there. Screen needs to go up, which is actually going to happen this weekend. Carpet gets installed on Friday, screen goes up on Saturday, which means I will be wrapping this thing up this weekend for the most part. There'll be a couple little things here and there that need to be touched up, but it is coming along. Speaker wires are mostly terminated. Some a little bit of tidying to happen there. And yes, there's 15 freaking speakers. So I had to come up with this numbering system here. In the last video, the rear columns were just pieces of wood. Now they are painted. I've got the electrical in there for the sconces, which is going to be like this. There will be a magnetically removable panel that goes over the speakers. And then a sconce that plugs in, and I can remove that to access the speakers whenever I want. There'll be a access panel like what I've got over here to cover that up. The equipment, the equipment is in there, just needs to be connected. So looking forward to that. The LED under where the baseboards are going to go are all done on this side, and I've got to do that side over there. Lots of paint touch up to still happen. That table actually needs to go downstairs and get restained in ebony black. Obviously this rack of different supplies and tools and what have you will be out of here pretty soon, but yeah, it hardly feels real. But this 13-month-long project is coming to an end. And this time next week, I'll be sitting here looking over there at my 135-inch Stewart screen with a beautiful 4K image on it with 9 bed layer speakers, 6 Atmos, and 4 subwoofers. I'm so excited. And I'm probably even more excited about the fact that you won't see any of that once it's all said and done. Obviously over there, the panels are still incomplete and you can still see the speaker and it doesn't look great. You look on this side, closer to complete. But wait, little pull, little magnet action, and that's where the speaker is hiding. So the front soundstage is going to be behind the screen. Front wides are going to be behind magnetic panels that'll kind of blend in with the acoustic panels. The sides and the rears are going to be behind magnetic panels. So there's going to be a lot going on in this room, and hopefully it'll sound amazing, but in my opinion, it'll look amazing. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. We're in the home stretch, so I'll keep the updates coming, and I'll try not to cry when I watch the first movie. Catch you in the next one.